Hello and welcome to another session in the series of clips on workforce planning. This is session 5, which is the WRaPT tool overview and is brought to you by the WRaPT team. The WRaPT tool is a powerful online calculator that has two key functions. One is a repository that allows you to upload, store, analyse and report on datasets from across organisations and systems. You can do this at many levels, from individual teams right up to multiple organisations. It also has the modelling function, where you can build current state models and carry out future state scenarios on any number of workforce and/or activity changes. Workforce modelling is complex, and the tool provides a good platform for doing this. It is designed to be easy to navigate and used by anyone. The WRaPT tool works on 3 sets of data: workforce, activity and drivers, and these have been covered in detail in the earlier courses. We are now going to log into the WRaPT tool to take you through some of the key functionality. You access the tool at the link www.thisis.wrapt.org.uk. We are logging in using a WRaPT training account. If you haven't got an account, you can click on the Not Registered link and sign up. The first page you see is the landing page with a brief welcome note. The bottom half of the page shows recent activity in relation to key functions. There are 3 different levels of accessing the tool. Organisation Administrator. This person will have full access to the organisation's data and would act as its administrator. This level can assign data access to users in the organisation and also manage access requests from users outside of the organisation. The org admin can additionally upload data for the org they are responsible for, whereas a standard user cannot. An org administrator can have access to more than one organisation, but they will only have user-level access for any other organisations they have access to. An organisation user will have full access to the data assigned to them, but cannot manage access requests or upload data. The third level is that of WRaPT administrator. However, this status is reserved for WRaPT team members only. This is because we can see the back end of the tool and assign people with relevant access permissions. Along the left-hand column are several tabs. We'll go through the functions now one by one. When you click on the organisation's heading, you can see that this is a repository function in the tool where you would upload your workforce data. As you can see, Fiona/Amina has access to the WRaPT training organisations, as well as a test or training organisation to upload data. If we click on the arrows next to the WRaPT Community and Mental Health Trust, we can view the different levels of hierarchy in this organisation. We can also see the WTE associated at each level of that hierarchy. We can also select teams and click on role groups to look at the roles in specific teams. Here, Amina has selected a directorate that has 10 teams or less. This functionality has been built into the tool to make it easier to use and navigate. We can additionally select the Detail tab to see more workforce detail for each role. Along the top, we can also see the functions that are available to the user in the organisation screen. This is dependent on the access level, and some of these may be greyed out. Request Org Access is where we can request access to an organisation, which will be sent to the organisation administrator, ensuring IG conversations have been had when requesting and approving access. Upload organisation will be covered in the next course. There's the option to delete an organisation. However, we don't want to delete it unless you have duplicated or made an error. Create a model will be covered in the next course. Run a report. We will also look at this next. The reports function goes hand in hand with the repository side of the tool. At the moment, we have a few defined reports in the tool. We will select the WTE by staff group report, as the tool has kept the selection that Amina has been working with. We will give our report a name. The output will be a chart which can also be downloaded as a PDF. Clicking the Modelling tab on the left-hand side is where you find any models that you have created. This includes baseline models and scenario models. The baseline model will be the top row. If you click into the arrow, you will be able to see any scenario models associated with that particular baseline. There is also a range of information related to the model that you can see in the table summary. For example, what information is in your model, when it was last accessed, and whether it has been shared. The Request tab is to help you keep track of any requests that you have made to an organisation, or any that you have approved. The Accounts functionality is only available to WRaPT administrators. We hope you found this session has helped you to navigate the tool. Now you are ready to do some modelling. Watch the next course video on how to upload your data and create a baseline model.